Softly a whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? Share on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I'm saying. So here I am with open arms, hoping you see what your love means to me. Open arms. Living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold. Wondering to hold you, wanting you near. How much I wanted you all. But now that you come back, tonight is today, I need you to stay. So now I come to you with